Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor. In today's video, we'll look at how to fix a Samsung front-load washer that won't drain. Watch until the end to learn more. Common reasons why your machine isn't draining include wrong installation or blockage of the drain hose, poor leveling of the appliance, and a clogged pump filter. Now, let's focus on what to do to clear the issue. Assess the drain hose. Check that the drain hose is inserted into the standpipe correctly. The insertion should be between 6 and 8 inches. More or less insertion will jeopardize drainage. Ensure the hose is secured to the standpipe and that the connection isn't airtight. Also, ascertain that the hose isn't clogged, kinked, or squashed. Lastly, its height should be between 18 and 96 inches. Now, level the appliance. Turn the leveling feet at each corner of the washer clockwise to raise and counterclockwise to lower the corner until the appliance is level. Ensure the washer doesn't rock while spinning after leveling. Clean the filter. The filter is located in the bottom section of your washer's front panel. To clean it, access it and turn it counterclockwise to remove it from the appliance. Prepare for residual water flow while removing the filter. Clean and rinse the filter with plenty of water before mounting it back to the washer. Close the filter access panel, and that's it. Fixing a Samsung front-load washer that won't drain is that simple. Thanks for watching. Till next time.